When you search for the best air fryer toaster oven, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cuisinart TOA70. The Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven caught my eye right away. Priced at $158.40, it's a bestseller with impressive specs. If you want a versatile kitchen appliance that can do just about everything, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This 1800-watt powerhouse features 8 cooking functions, from air fry to convection bake. That means you can toast 6 slices of bread or roast a 4lb chicken without breaking a sweat. The Air Advantage technology ensures hot air circulates evenly, giving you crispy results every time. With a 4.4-star rating from over 7,500 reviews and 10,000 units sold last month, it seems like a lot of people are happy with this one. Now, some people complained about the size being a bit cramped for larger batches. Here's the thing though, if you're cooking for a family or don't need to make humongous amounts, it's not a deal breaker at all. It's perfect for quick meals without overwhelming your counter. This is perfect for you if you love to experiment with different cooking styles but don't have a lot of space. Skip this one if you're looking to make massive meals regularly. For the price, it delivers great value. Now, if the Cuisinart size worries you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a larger capacity. Product number 2, Cosari TurboBlaze. Next up is the Cosari 9-in-1 TurboBlaze air fryer. At $119.99, it's a great deal for what you get. If you want crispy meals without the wait, you'll want to hear about this one. This air fryer boasts a 6-quart capacity and uses innovative TurboBlaze technology to achieve a powerful 3,600 RPM fan speed. Plus, it's PFAS-free, so you can feel good about what you're cooking. With a stellar 4.8-star rating from over 20,800 reviews, it's clearly a favorite. However, some reviews mention that the touchscreen can be a bit sensitive. I'll be real with you, if you're not into touch controls, it might take a little getting used to. But for most people, this shouldn't be a major issue. The convenience it brings is hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a fast, efficient way to cook for your family without all the oil. Skip this one if you prefer traditional dials or have a small kitchen. For the price, it's an impressive product. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need more functionality. Product number 3, Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Let's talk about the Ninja Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. At $149.99, it's got a unique flip-up design that saves counter space. If maximizing your kitchen area while still enjoying versatile cooking is your goal, this is worth considering. This model features 8-in-1 functionality, meaning you can air fry, roast, broil, and more. The Oven Crisp technology guarantees even cooking with less fat, up to 75% less compared to traditional frying methods. With a 4.5-star rating from nearly 30,000 reviews, it's clearly a hit. However, some users mention that the flip design can feel a bit awkward initially. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a space saver that can fit in tight kitchens, so it's worth a little adjustment. This is perfect for you if you live in a small space but still want to cook big meals. Skip this one if you need something more straightforward without the flip feature. Its price is reasonable for the versatility it offers. Now, if you're keen on digital controls, you might want to check out our next contender. Product number 4, Ninja Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven. Here we have another Ninja product, the Digital Air Fryer and Toaster Oven, priced at $218.50. If you're serious about cooking and want an appliance that does it all, you'll want to listen to this. This model features digital crisp control technology for precise cooking, with 8 functions including air roast and dehydrate. The large capacity means it fits a 13 pizza or 9 slices of toast, making it fantastic for entertaining. It cooks up to 60% faster than traditional ovens, saving you precious time. With a solid 4.5-star rating from around 30,000 reviews, it's a reliable choice. One downside some users pointed out is it can take up a bit more space than expected. Now I get it, if counter space is at a premium, this might not be ideal. But if you have the room, it's a powerhouse that's hard to beat. This is perfect for you if you love hosting and want to whip up meals quickly. Skip this one if you're tight on space and prefer something smaller. You're getting a lot for your investment here. Finally, let me introduce you to a unique option that combines luxury with functionality. Product number 5, Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer. Last but not least is the Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. Priced at $159.79, it's packed with features. If you want something that combines style and performance, you'll want to hear about this. This model offers a whopping 24 cooking functions, which means you can prepare everything from snacks to full meals. With a 4.4-star rating from over 17,200 reviews, it's clearly a crowd pleaser. However, some users mentioned it can be quite large, which might not fit every kitchen. Here's the thing though, if you have the kitchen space and like to cook for gatherings, it's worth it. The functionality and design are excellent. This is perfect for you if you love hosting dinner parties or want a multi-cooker that does it all. Skip this one if you have a small kitchen or don't need all those functions. For its price and the features, it's a solid option for serious cooks. So there you have it, 5 fantastic air fryer toaster ovens, each with its own strengths. The Cuisinart is versatile for various meals, the Cosori offers speed and efficiency, Ninja's Flip design saves space, the other Ninja model gives you digital precision, and Emeril's provides a ton of functions for serious cooks. Choose one that fits your needs and happy cooking.